What's actually inside ART Arthritis Relief Formula? And how does it address joint pain at the source? Let's break it down. Arthritis is not just joint pain. It's inflammation, chronic, systemic, and progressive. When inflammation is left unchecked, it erodes cartilage, damages joint tissue, and limits your movement permanently. The standard medical approach is to mask the pain. ART takes a different approach, reducing inflammation from the inside out and rebuilding the tissue that chronic inflammation has damaged. Turmeric, curcumin, the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compound in the world. Curcumin inhibits NF-κB, the master switch that activates inflammatory gene expression in your cells. When NF-κB is blocked, the cascade of inflammatory chemicals, including prostaglandins and cytokines, is reduced at the source. Multiple clinical trials show curcumin is as effective as ibuprofen for reducing arthritis pain without the gastrointestinal damage that NSAIDs cause with long-term use. Curcumin also suppresses the destruction of cartilage by blocking the enzymes MMP3 and MMP9 that break down joint tissue. This means it doesn't just reduce pain, it slows joint deterioration. Boswellia, frankincense, an ancient resin from the boswellia tree used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Boswellia contains boswellic acids, specifically AKBA, that block 5-lipoxygenase, an enzyme that produces leukotrienes. Leukotrienes are inflammatory compounds particularly destructive to joint cartilage. By blocking leukotriene production, boswellia reduces joint swelling, improves joint mobility, and decreases pain without the side effects of pharmaceutical COX-2 inhibitors. Clinical studies show boswellia significantly improves pain and physical function in knee osteoarthritis within 4 to 8 weeks. Devil's claw, a South African plant with one of the most impressive clinical records for arthritis of any herbal medicine. Devil's claw contains harpagoside, an iridoid glycoside with powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It inhibits COX-2 and LOX enzymes, the same pathways targeted by many pharmaceutical pain medications. Multiple European clinical trials have shown devil's claw reduces joint pain, stiffness, and improves mobility in people with osteoarthritis of the hip and knee. The difference from pharmaceutical COX-2 inhibitors, devil's claw does not damage the stomach lining or increase cardiovascular risk. Ginger root, a kitchen spice and serious medicine. Ginger contains gingerols and shogarols, compounds with documented anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Like devil's claw, ginger inhibits both COX and LOX enzymes. Studies show ginger extract reduces knee pain in osteoarthritis patients and reduces the inflammatory marker CRP in rheumatoid arthritis. It also improves blood flow to joints, delivering nutrients and reducing stiffness. White willow bark, nature's aspirin, and where aspirin was originally derived. White willow bark contains salicin, which your body converts to salicylic acid. It reduces pain and fever through the same general mechanism as aspirin, but in a form that is gentler on the stomach. It's been used for pain relief for over 3,000 years across multiple cultures. Nettle leaf, the inflammation interceptor. Stinging nettle internets several inflammatory cytokines, including TNF-alpha and interleukin-1 beta, both of which are elevated in rheumatoid arthritis. It also contains boron, silicon, and other minerals that support cartilage and bone density. These ingredients work on multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. Turmeric blocks the NF-κB master switch. Boswellia stops leukotriene production. Devil's claw and ginger inhibit COX and LOX enzymes. White willow provides direct pain relief. Nettle blocks cytokine-driven inflammation.
This is not pain management. This is inflammation resolution. When inflammation goes down, pain follows. When inflammation is consistently managed, joint damage slows. ART Arthritis Relief Formula, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.